In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy your first share on Trading 212 in just a few simple steps. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do if you haven't got the Trading 212 app already is you will need to download it and sign up for an account. If you need to do that, there is two ways you can do it. You can either go to the app store of your choice, search Trading 212 and take the first result it's likely going to be, and then just go through the sign up process. Or alternatively, you could go to the link in my description down below where you will actually get a free fractional share worth anything between £10 and £100 when you sign up and complete the process. Do remember though, your capital is at risk. But once you've done that, you will come to a page that looks a little bit something like this. It may look a little bit different to what you can see on my screen right now. For example, mine says 212 Invest at the top there. If you're using a Stocks ISA, yours is going to say Stocks ISA. I'm just doing this on an Invest account just for tutorial purposes. So that is going to be the page that you come to, but to be able to go ahead and buy a stock, what you need to do is actually go down to where you can see the magnifying glass down in the bottom kind of menu bar of your screen. Go ahead and click that. And from here, you can go ahead and either browse the ones that we have on screen right here, or you can go ahead and search for any stock that you want to invest into. So in my case, for this example purpose, we are actually filming this on a Saturday as well. So one thing that you'll be able to notice is that all of these stocks have a gray circle next to them. This means that the market is currently closed for that stock, but that doesn't mean that you cannot technically invest into that stock on a weekend. Essentially, all what will happen is we will invest into the stock, and when the market opens, it will place the order for us. So we're just going to do that anyway, just for example purposes, because essentially when the market opens, it is exactly the same, and I'll just show you the very small difference in what comes up. But moving on, let's go ahead and actually pick a stock to invest into. So in this case, let's just go ahead and invest into Apple stock. We can see it in the middle of the screen here. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on the Apple icon. And this is essentially going to bring us onto the Apple stock overview page where we can see the chart. So we can see the different type of performance. We can go ahead and click on different date ranges, as you can see what I'm doing right here. It also gives us an AI analysis of the stock as well, which is quite handy, a new little feature that Trading 212's added. You've also got a social feed as well, where people are talking about the stock, so other Trading 212 users. You've got some pies that the Apple stock is actually included within. You've also got some basic stats around the stock as well, which you can actually explore further by clicking see all and seeing a lot more information there. And then from here, you've got some further things, which is earning interest, which we're not going to go into, but you can also look at the financials of this company as well. So see the income statements, and when they report their earnings every quarter, this will all get updated. And then finally, if we go back, it's going to have just a brief summary about the company and what they actually do. To be able to buy this stock and invest into this company, we can see that throughout scrolling through this overview page, there has been a blue button that has stuck out the entire time, which of course says buy. So let's go ahead and click on that. And from here, it's going to give us a few different options. Now, what we want to do is we want to do the most basic one, which 95% of people will be only worrying about, and that is doing a market order. This is basically saying to execute an order for this stock at the best currently available market price. So once again, when that stock market reopens, it's going to take the best price and it's going to buy that stock for us. Now, when it comes to how many stocks we can buy, one of the great things about Trading 212 is they offer fractional investing. This means that if the Apple stock, as you can see, is $213, we don't actually have to buy an entire whole stock to own one. There's a lot of companies out there that will make you buy a whole share to be able to own one. But the great thing, like I said, Trading 212, you can buy as little of this share as you want, and it will do it in fractions. But the option that you will need to decide between is if you want to buy by the amount of shares, or do you want to pick an amount that you want to invest? So in our case, we actually want to go over and click on the number of shares screen here, and we actually want to change this to value because I want to invest £100 into Apple stock, and I want to just see how much of a stock that's going to get me. So Let's go ahead and grab our slider and drag it up to where it says £100. And as you can see, that is going to buy us 0.6279 shares of Apple stock. So just over a half really. Once we're happy with that, we can actually scroll down to the bottom and it'll say your order will execute after the market opens in 1 day, 21 hours and 41 minutes. And we can actually then go ahead and click review order. So let's go ahead and do that. From here, we'll actually display a little bit of a disclaimer message saying about price volatility. I'm actually going to click don't show for 90 days and click OK. It's then going to offer you 24/5 trading. This is basically where you can trade a little bit outside of the daily trading hours. For me, I'm not interested in that right now. We just want to buy a share. So we're going to click not interested. And from here, basically, it's going to come up with our review page. So this is going to go through all the details of the trade we're about to make. So it's got the order type. So it's going to be a market buy. It's going to tell us the shares value that we're going to be actually getting. So £99.85. It's going to tell us the number of shares that we're going to be getting. Like we said, it's 0.6279. It's going to tell us how much commission we're paying. So another great thing about Trading 212 is that it's commission free. It's then going to tell us our Forex rate. So the current exchange rate, because this is an American stock. So we are exchanging our pounds for dollars to be able to buy this. And then with this, there is actually a Forex fee. So to be able to exchange that money, we do need to pay a very small fee. And the fee that we're paying here is 15 pence, which is actually why we're actually getting a share value of £99.85 instead of the full 100. And it can say that the total order amount is going to be £100. So once we're ready with that, we can go ahead and click send our buy order. It will then say order placed, and once again it said it will execute after the market opens in just under 2 days. Once we're happy with that, we go ahead and click OK. But essentially that is how you can buy your first ever stock using Trading 212. I hope you found this video useful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care.